Hello everyone, today we will make distance measuring device using ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno and LED. So here how it works. For every 10 cm one LED glows up and shows the distance. So let's dive in. We will begin by placing 7 LEDs on the breadboard. Make sure they are spaced evenly. Now we will connect each positive leg of the LED to separate digital pin of the Arduino. Next we will connect the breadboard ground rail to the Arduino GND pin. Then each LED jumper wire connect to the corresponding Arduino pin. This setup ensures each LED will glow up based on the signal sent from the Arduino. Now it's time to connect the ultrasonic sensor. The sensor will measure the distance to an object by sending and receiving ultrasonic waves. Connect it according to the circuit diagram. With everything connected, we will upload the code. But first we will open Chat GPT and write the prompt to get our code. You can customize the code according to your need. Now as an object approaches the sensor, LEDs will light up one by one for every 10 cm of distance. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now copy the code from here and paste into Arduino IDE. Compile the code and upload it to your board. So now our code is uploaded. It works exactly as planned, demonstrating how we can combine a sensor and LEDs to create a functional distance measurement system.